This is mangoes. This is East Indian mangoes. One mango actually wasn't very ripe. So it's not fully ripe. So yeah, we would call it turn. It's unripe for our non-Jamaican viewers. And so we're gonna add some. We're gonna spice it up. We're gonna season it up. Yeah, it's a mango. It's a mango season. It's mango season. So definitely gotta use up all the mangoes. Use them up. And this is one way. So we're gonna use some cayenne pepper and use some sea salt. Or if you wanna use your favorite salt, you can use pink salt, pink Himalayan salt, or black salt, or Celtic salt, whatever salt you got. So we're gonna do that to season it up, and I'm thinking that I'll put some parsley in it. We'll see how it goes without it, and then we'll add it, probably add it afterwards. This is the pepper, salt and pepper, cayenne pepper, sea salt, and I'm just remembering that yes, some people would have used black pepper, but we are going a natural way, healthier way. So yeah, the cayenne pepper, yeah, we're doing the cayenne pepper. And yep, so we're gonna try the parsley on it to see how it tastes. I tasted it without it, and it tasted good. Now let's see how it tastes with the parsley. Yeah, you're gonna mix it up. And yeah, if you can let it marinate, that would be like, let it rest. That would be good, but yeah, can't wait for that. This is good. It's mango. I can't wait for that. Yep, so that's country living. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. Oh. So yes, before it's done, I should give it a name. It's Tantalizing Seasoned Mangoes. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.